Alright, here we are again. Day 2, solving Leetcode. Well, I'm not actually solving Leetcode, but um, similar. I think Leetcode is better. Not the problem-wise, but structure-wise. So the day I'm recording is 26th, January 1st. Happy New Year, guys. And I hope everything goes well with the new future. And I hope my future holds well. So let's get started. So group anagrams. Given an array of strings, grow all anagrams in sublists. You may find this. Okay, so the string is a list of strings, and the anagram. Yeah. So basically, anagram is, as I already knew, but if we even if shuffle or they using the same alphabet characters. Okay. So let me think how we solve this. Um, Let me capture. So how do we solve that? So first thing I came up with mine is we couldn't just sort all of them, right? Then we could just gathering things together. But the problem is sort takes n log of n, and we have this many, so that's multiplied by m. M is number of the strings, and n is the length of string, the each string. So um, we are not going to do that because first it's gonna be tedious. I'm already having headache by implementing that. I have no idea how to do that. Second, it must be there's better way because this is too much. So let's see. So what we need is just how many times the alphabet, each alphabet it comes out, like A, C, T. So if we create a hash map of it, so we know that this is the same as like cat, because cat A, C, A, T. So so the hash map has to act like the key. But the problem is we have to keep the original and we have to push into value. So initially the value should be just empty array, and when we pushed it, it creates. Actually, it's not like inside of the um, list. So not nested list. So this should be the approach. So once we take it down, so should be working, and then we just combine like all the things together. and then we can put the output. Since the output was the order, doesn't matter. So let me think. Let me think how to do it. So first we have to loop at least once, and we have to check each one. Only the problem is how to do that. How to combine all the things. Oh, that one is less. Let's get started first. So loop. First, we have to loop in the strings. So this will return a string, like for example, ACT act. Um, so we need to act like this. So we eventually what we have to do is but the question is ACT hash map and CAT hash map are the same in the Python? Maybe dictionary wise, cause it could be different because we are checking. Cause I'm not sure how the Python dictionary implemented, but like let's say Python somehow like um, storing like that and the CAT storing like that. Still, we can use it like a hash map, but are they same? I don't know. That's the big concern. Let me check the strings. Okay, so I think this is the hint. How many alphabets in the English? 28? Not English, but you know, ultimate. So then can we do this in array? Yes. Then this will create the map, the English map. It's not exactly a hash map, but the array wise we just creating fixed size of array. So how to check it? Let's go alpha. So we have to actually loop again, right? So in order to do that, we can so the question is how to change. I'm not cheating, I'm just searching for it. I'm not Python expert. During the interview I won't do that, but for the running purpose I need to do it. So how to change alphabet to number in Python. Let's see. Okay, there's a word function. Wait, do we need to convert to the so the problem is the A should go at 0. B should go at 1. This is index. So I think this is it. Word. So let's try it. So alpha word k negative, because I would like to start at 0, so that's why I'm using this. This is 1. So we just checking the thing. So in this way should be good. So we couldn't use, now we can use the alpha as the key. So let's create a result. I'm not sure how to. I think this is enough. So how do we do that? We need temporarily thing, isn't it? So I think so. So can we do this? This is not. This is not. What else? What else am I missing? And what am I doing wrong? Um, mm, 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 mm. So what am I doing wrong? Cause this is not how we access. So this should be not array. We just need something else. So we actually need the key. So I think we need tuple. Python tuple. Let me read. Okay. So tuple alpha and how to push in there. Add x result. Let me check how this thing works. How can we do that? Is it even valid syntax? I don't think so. So Python dictionary. Yeah, so we are somewhere somewhat close. So we just, instead of doing that, we just need to check this. This is known. We just need to create like that. And else can I push? Python array push. Append. Okay. That's better. Let me check. So we cannot use key like that. Dictionary tool. why do we need default? Hmm. Am I doing wrong? But I don't think we do need to check it eventually. And why? Because it's not a tuple. The array itself. Is it? Because tuple is consisting of two things. And this is having a lot of things. So we just need to give something. Okay. Temp tuple. Can we do this way? Okay. I think I'm running out of idea. I need to... Yes, that thing is being covered. That thing is without what we're doing. Okay, actually 26 of them. So the approach is correct, I think. I just lack of my Python skill is just killing me. Alright, so I failed. Let's check the solution. Okay, that's sorting. Do I have to actually do that? So we're doing correct. And this is right, so we need to increment. So I was close. So I just my Python skill was the problem. So we couldn't do that. Let me check before I even doing anything. So okay. So what we need to do is just make a list about values, not the result. Okay, so worked, my approach is correct, but my Python skill was holding me back. Okay, I just need to work on more. And let me check how the um, how the complexity works for this. So the local variable we don't care, and this list we just we will create a amount of n. No, not that. So we are at least going through all of them. So n times m, and is telling the each string length and the number of the list. So this is bare minimum. And let me check about the space. So space should be just m, I think. Yeah, yeah, yeah. So I'm correct about it. So yeah, I failed this time, but I was close. I need to read more Python, like Python way to deal with that. I think so. Yeah, but I'm happy. I'm really, really close. But obviously, I need a lot of work. So, thanks for watching, and see you tomorrow.